So we are going to be solving equations with variables on both sides. So there's kind of three steps to this. Step one, we're going to isolate the variable on one side of the equal sign or the other. Then we're going to do add or subtract to both sides and then multiply or divide. So it kind of looks like this. So here's an example here. We have 5x plus 4 equals 3x plus 10. Notice we have x's on both sides of the equal sign. So we want to isolate the x's. We want to get it to one side or the other. So a lot of times, like in our brains, we think, oh, we're going to move the x. Mathematically, you can't move the x. So isolate is kind of a more mathematical correct way of saying it, but we're moving x's in this case to the left. So at the bottom of our work, we're going to want to see x equals and then blank right down here. Okay, so in other words, we don't want these three x's over here, these positive three x's. So we're going to subtract 3x's from both sides. So here's what that looks like there, minus 3x and minus 3x. Now we just go left or right, cleaning things up, simplifying, adding like terms. 5x's minus 3x's, that makes 2x's. We still have the plus 4 and the equal sign. Now check this out, 3x minus 3x, 0x's on the right-hand side, just the 10. Now we have the two-step equation. We're going to undo the plus 4 and the multiply by 2. So we're going to start with subtracting 4 to both sides. And then we have 2x, no more constant, no more 4 on the left, and then 10 minus 4, that makes a 6 there. Last up, undo the times by 2 with a divide by 2 to both sides. Looks like that. So 2 divided by 2, that just makes 1x written right there. And then 6 divided by 2 makes 3. So x equals 3. 3 is the value for x that makes this equation true. Another example here, go ahead and give this one a try. Pause the video, then come on back and see how you did. Notice we do have variables on both sides of the equal sign. I don't want any x's on the left or the right side. I want them all on the left side, so my answer will look like this at the very bottom. So we don't want negative 5x's on the right, so we're going to do the opposite. We're going to add 5x's to both sides. So it looks like that. Now moving left to right. Negative 2x plus 5x is going to make 3x's, and we still have the plus 4 and the equal sign there. Negative 5x plus 5x, no more x's on the right, just the negative 5 there. So now for the two-step equation, we're going to subtract 4 to both sides, then we'll divide by 3. So here we go. So we have a 3x, and then 4 minus 4, 0, 4 is there. Negative 5 minus 4 makes negative 9. Last up, we don't want the 3 next to the x, so we're going to divide 3. We're going to undo that 3 timesing to x. So 3 over 3 makes 1x, and then negative divided by positive is going to be a negative. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So negative 3 is the value for the variable that makes the equation true.